When preparing for a workshop such as this, consider that developing a new version of yourself involves leaving the old one behind. Having worked with many clients to help them to step into the future, we understand what is involved and have the expertise to support you. Ready to become the next version of yourself? Prepare to be surprised at just how quickly and smoothly the journey can be. To shed the old versions, the old identities, and step into the new you, the you that you have envisioned as part of your future life. It's all about your intention. Our deepest intention is to set free your deepest intention to become whoever you desire. If you're ready to reconnect with your own inner wisdom and rediscover the ancient and lost art of daydreaming, then join us. You can also prepare in the weeks running up to a workshop by going off grid, doing a digital detox, breathing fresh air as often as possible. Try to clear your mind. Try meditation or try it again. Not as easy as all that, is it? Practice yoga or Tai Chi. It's more of a being thing than a doing thing. If you don't have a clear idea about what it is that you want, then do relax, because you will get one when you attend our workshop. This is why we take so much care to prepare the setting correctly, to make sure that it's tranquil, that the atmosphere is nurturing, so that you have the space to be able to engage with your imagination, to find out what it really is that you want. So having an open mind is the perfect beginning. After you've confirmed your booking with us, we send you resources which will help you to consider what you want freedom from, so that you can have freedom too. Why you're doing this. What are your hopes and your fears? And also what resources you might need to invite in to assist in this transition. For example, time, headspace, money, and other kind of resources that will actually help to smooth the process of you becoming the person that you desire to be. Because we have professional nutritional support in-house, we really do understand the physical processes that are involved in transformation. As soon as a firm intention is made, the body does start to unleash its own physical processes in the direction of your intention, which means that if you are closer than 6 months in time to a major life event such as divorce or surgery, that your process might not be as comfortable as it really ought to be. So our advice is, for your comfort, to wait at least 6 months from a major life event before participating on one of our workshops. Now, we are not suitable for you if you have anything more than mild to moderate anxiety, depression, that kind of thing. You have a diagnosis of narcissism or psychopathy, or have any neurological conditions. If you're unsure, do please reach out to us and we will tell you. As soon as you have confirmed your booking, we do encourage you to begin to take more notice of any sensations that you might be feeling. By tuning into your body and your mind's messaging, it's amazing what you notice, and a lot of really valuable information is stored there. And on our workshops, you will begin to understand a bit more about how you can use that information in order to be able to develop a life that you really, really want and leave behind some of the niggles and aches and pains, but more of that inside our workshop. If you can, in the weeks running up to our workshop, begin a detox. That would be hugely helpful. Minimise the usual stimulants such as caffeine, alcohol, drugs, that sort of thing, and enjoy more nourishing food and juices than you might ordinarily be doing. Exercise, get lots of fresh air and drink plenty of water. What we also recommend is that you book a massage. Now, it's important that this occurs at least 1 week before you attend any of our workshops. But what it does is it stimulates your organs of elimination to make sure that as many toxins that might be held in your tissues are able to exit your body as smoothly as possible. And what that will also do is it will ensure that you are more comfortable in your transition. How our programme works. There are 2 one-day in-person workshops spaced 30 days apart in relaxed settings where you can perceive the big picture inside your imagination with real clarity. Focus entirely on what you want. We concentrate only on the positive, and we make sure that we know exactly how to solidly support you to bringing it into being. On day 1, it's all about shutting out the outside world and reconnecting with your creativity so that you can produce a physical representation of what it is that you intend to bring into being, by which I mean a vision board. But we understand the science behind it, and we know how to leverage its effectiveness, and that's what makes our outcomes so much better than what most people get by doing it themselves. We offer individual coaching sessions before, in between and afterwards as well, to help clarify objectives, to reflect on what's been going on, because of course as soon as you put your intention out there, things start to happen. And of course afterwards we can help with next steps. And additional nutritional and emotional support is also available. By the end of the first workshop, you will have created a vision board, which is a very important document because what it does is it is a physical representation of the contents of your imagination, of your deepest intention. We will have held a space for you to imagine what it is that you want to bring into being. And the first step in that process is a powerful statement of intent, the actual collage itself. On the second workshop, we will teach you how to interact with the vision board. You'll have plenty of opportunity to get inspired actions, and we have a very special process for that. You'll be amazed. Many people find it hard to capture everything that is downloaded to them from their imagination on the second workshop, but don't worry, you will be supported all the way. And the workshop 2 is all about solidly action planning. What will you do to draw down into your reality that which started in your imagination and was kicked off by the production of the vision board? So, what will you create? We look forward to working with you.